All right, I want to show you something cool when it comes to documentation. You know that I am a huge proponent of this. I love capturing everything that I do, my processes, checklists, ideas, not ideas, sorry, processes, checklists, SOPs, everything that I do in my business. You do this because you want to stay in your zone of genius and not have to remember how to do things, especially if it's stuff where you don't do it all the time. And in this case, get merchant reports is like for an annual taxes that we're in right now as I'm recording this. And so, how do I do these things? And I'm not an accountant, so I got to record all this stuff. Plus, you could also assign it to somebody else. But that's not the reason for this video. You should know already that you need to be documenting everything you do. But I want to show you something here. This is Stripe here that I have to go in and do all these things to download a simple balance report. So I download 3 or 4 balance reports, right? There is how many steps? 25 steps in this process. Yes, steps where, yeah, if save to the folder, download it, stuff that is normal, but or obvious, but you document things in a way that you could pull somebody off the street who's never touched a computer before, doesn't understand anything about your business, and they can come in here and open this up and go ahead and do the actual task. That's one thing. But the reason for this video really is to show you something cool because of all of these pictures. I used to go into Snagit, which was my tool of choice, and record myself doing things and then take individual pictures and then put them in here like this. Now, Stripe or Snagit has upgraded and gave us a really cool tool to do this in even faster. And I want to show it to you because I highly recommend this. So here's the Snagit tool, and then if you see an image here, you have this new selection called steps, right? And so when you go in and to whatever you're doing and you start recording the steps, it will automatically record all of your clips. But when you click something, it'll take a picture of what you're doing, and then it'll give an instruction or details up here that you can change to your liking. And then all I do is copy and paste into, in my case, this goes into Notion, and now I've got all of my steps in there. You can delete, pictures if you want to, you can pause, whatever it is. However, the point is start doing this because there's no excuse for you not to be doing this. And as I said, I highly recommend um, Snagit as your tool to do this. There's a couple of other ones that I use, but for main stuff like this is what I'm using Snagit. Now I have an affiliate. If you want to buy from that, that's cool. That's not the point of this video. I put it in this description or somewhere here. If you want to use it, doesn't really matter to me. But I would highly recommend, if you are doing any documentation, to now check out Snagit because of how much time it saves you with this steps feature. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy to answer them. Let's go.